Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because what you're about to hear can reshape the way you think, act, and live. Have you ever wondered why some people remain calm when their entire world is collapsing? Why they can face betrayal, loss, and even failure, yet still stand tall, unshaken? That's not luck. That's not natural toughness. That's Stoicism, the ancient path to becoming truly undefeatable. Think about it. Life will test you in every possible way. People will insult you, plans will fail, friends may betray you, and storms will come when you least expect them. Most people break down, they complain, they panic, they beg life to be easier. But Stoics, they don't ask for an easy life. They ask for the strength to endure a difficult one. That's what makes them impossible to defeat. Marcus Aurelius, the great Roman emperor, once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Imagine a man who controls an empire, armies, and lands stretching across the known world. Yet he understood that his true power was not over nations, but over his own mind. That's the essence of Stoicism, shifting the battlefield from the outside world to within yourself. So what does it mean to become undefeatable? It means that no matter what happens, you refuse to let circumstances control your peace. A Stoic doesn't pretend life is perfect. A Stoic prepares for the worst, accepts it if it comes, and still finds a way to stand with dignity. That's why enemies couldn't break them. That's why time couldn't erase their wisdom. Picture this. You're standing in the middle of chaos. People around you are shouting, the storm is raging, and everyone is losing their composure. But you are still like a mountain. The world crashes against you, but you remain unshaken. That is Stoicism in action, the art of becoming undefeatable. But let me be clear. This is not about becoming cold or emotionless. It's about mastering your emotions instead of being mastered by them. Anger, fear, jealousy, greed. These are chains that enslave most people. A Stoic breaks those chains. He feels deeply, but he is not controlled by the wave of feelings. Instead, he stands above them, steering his life with reason, wisdom, and self-discipline. Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Think about how many battles you've already lost inside your own head. You worry about what might happen tomorrow. You replay insults from yesterday. You drown in scenarios that don't even exist. But a Stoic refuses to be defeated by imagination. He faces life as it is, not worse, not better, but exactly as it comes. Becoming undefeatable doesn't mean you'll never feel pain. It means pain will no longer rule you. It doesn't mean you'll never lose. It means loss won't break you. It doesn't mean you'll never fall. It means when you fall, you rise with even greater strength. That's the Stoic way. Every hardship, every insult, every obstacle, they are not curses. They are opportunities to practice. The Stoics even welcomed obstacles, because each one was a chance to train their inner strength. Epictetus, a man who was once a slave, said, "Difficulties show what men are." And he was right. The world doesn't care about your comfort, but life will always reveal who you truly are when the storm hits. Now, let me tell you the secret. Nobody can defeat you without your permission. Not your enemies, not your failures, not even fate. The only one who can defeat you is yourself. When you surrender your mind, your discipline, your courage. And that's why Stoicism teaches us to guard our inner fortress. If you keep your mind disciplined, your spirit unbroken, then no matter what happens outside, you remain undefeated. So the question is, do you want to be a prisoner of emotions, at the mercy of events, broken by every hardship? Or do you want to walk the path of the Stoics, mastering your mind, shaping your character, and becoming truly undefeatable? The choice is yours. Remember this. Storms don't last forever, but your strength can. The world may try to bend you, but you can choose to remain unbending. That's what Stoicism offers. A way to live, not as a victim of life, but as a master of it. Subscribe, stay with me, and let us walk this path together. Because once you embrace Stoicism, nothing and no one will ever defeat you again.